It's not so bad here, hon.
It's not? How about here? Ah!
Gosh! Oh!
Sorry. Abandoned ship, abandoned ship. Hi everyone, Rainey here with my Dreamboat project, and right now it looks like a big part of my dream has sunk. I came out to look at the Chesapeake Deadrise. As you know, I had it all wrapped with a clear 6mm plastic, and then I covered it with this, and I had something poking through over here. So today I decided, because it's a big feat, to get underneath it, because this thing is huge, it's 50 feet long, to climb underneath it to see if I could put something so it doesn't puncture through. And what I found was just disgusting. I came in around the back, I opened it up, water was flying everywhere, condensation had built up so much in between the sheets and underneath the sheets that all my wood is soaked and starting to mold. Let me show you. So taking you around, as you can see, I'm already starting to lift it. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I'm hoping that in the next few sunny days, maybe it'll dry some of this out. But come on here in the back. This was all really tightly made. But look at this, you can see the back of it, how it's all soaked on the outside and the inside. And I had the plastic, the dark plastic, the tarp on top. And then I was hoping the water would just kind of come down the sides, and it did for the most part, but it also went, I mean, look at this, come on underneath here with me. Look at that, it's all soaked. This is the frame, the strong back, but look at the frame.
Oh man.
It's all mildewed, and I'm hoping that maybe some of you will have some ideas whether you think I could salvage it, if I could dry it out. My thinking is I'm going to have to, like Raluca said, maybe have a big bonfire and start over from scratch. I was really hoping this would be all set for me to just jump into it in the spring. So you take you a little bit underneath more. And you can see, I mean, everything. It's all molded. These are all my frames going all the way down to the front.
Oh my God.
Well, see, look at this here. I don't know if you could.
I'm coming up.
Here,
I'm coming up. Yeah.
See, it got wet. The roof here.
Yeah.
Can you see where here my hand is?
Yeah.
It got wet in between, but look when I touch it. See? Oh. It's just.
Okay. Oh, it's water.
Yeah, it's so much water. It's been dripping. I mean, you can actually see on top of the beams over here, there's actually puddles. That's how much water there is. I didn't want to leave it open because we have very big winters and all kinds of snow, which is why I did this. And here's all the wood here, extra wood that I had on the bottom. This is for the rest of the strong back. That's all soaked, so I don't know what I'm going to be able to salvage. I mean, even if I took it all apart right now, and
can you dry it inside the garage?
I could, thinking I could dry it inside of the garage. I think it's gone too far because I don't know if I could even sand off that mold, because that's like a cancer, I believe. Once it starts to
Is that what, I'm going to film here.
Mildew like that, I think it just gets stronger. So I'm going to research a little bit on it, and I'm hoping that if any of you folks have had a problem like this, you could let me know. I don't want to sound like I'm really whiny, but I just found out that this had happened maybe half an hour ago, so I'm still a little disappointed. And believe me, tomorrow, okay, I'll be my cheery self again. But,
No. In 10 minutes, you'll be your cheery self.
Yeah. But for right now, this is pretty darn disappointing. So, that's the update for my Chesapeake Bay 32-foot Deadrise. I did keep a couple of them. The transom and the swim platform were inside because I hadn't connected those. All the rest of it.
Now, I got to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Aren't you glad you didn't put the plywood on it?
Yeah, that's right. I had bought, I've got over $1,000 worth of 3/4 inch marine ply in there. I was going to put that on and cover it with that. Yeah, I would have ruined all that plywood. So I still have the marine ply.
It's all good.
I'm thinking maybe I should just, like you said, just come down here with a chainsaw in the spring. I'll put free wood somewhere or just bonfire. And if I can get that done early, I could just rebuild because I think there's less than $1,000 worth of wood here.
Well, so look,
Like
this
what
is
Lucas
so
said.
dark over here.
Most of this wood came from Home Depot. I should say, she's going, shh, Home Depot and Lowe's gift cards from my wonderful children. So kids, if you're watching, Daddy needs more wood. Okay? And for anybody else, I left gift cards, Home Depot, Lowe's, to get all the plywood, and I'm going to rebuild. But I do have the plans. I enlarged all the plans, so they're all there. But
Let's look it up maybe first. Maybe we can salvage some.
yeah, I'm going to look to see what can be done. And if you have any ideas, I appreciate it. So we're going to have clear sailing. My little boat in the garage is looking great.
And there's that.
And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.